Hey guys, Ultimate Recon Gaming updates number 21 with the week of October 3rd. For a minute, I thought he pulled the cord out, but we're good. The pressure. There's a lot of pressure between the chair and the computer.
Okay. Information found on the websites of GameStop, Game Informer, IGN, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, and Metacritic. Not sponsored by any of them, though, for games coming out this week. October 3rd, Super Mixtape PC, Mythic Victory. Okay, make sure I didn't say Mythic wrong. Okay. Maximum Archery, the game, Final Days, Guided Meditation, VR, Cartoon.
It looks like a cartoon.
I know.
Oh no, the game actually looks like a cartoon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Disturbed, Helmet Heroes, The Body, VR, So Many Cubes, and Mythic Victory Arena.
Bubble wrap.
It's not even bubble wrap. It's just...
Yeah, it is. It's a huge bubble wrap. A lot.
All right.
Easy there.
October 4th.
It's a lot easier if you just stomp on it.
I don't want like 50 million. October 4th, Origami.
Actually got me to jump that time. Wasn't even paying attention.
Atari Flashback Classics. Volume 1 and Volume 2 on Xbox One, PS4. Atlas Reactor. Rocksmith 2014 edition remastered. Xbox One, PS4, PC. Shoe on PS4 and PC. Warhammer, the End Times, not End of Times. Vermintide on Xbox One, PS4. Wheels of, what are you doing? Oh. Wheels of, what is that? Aurelia? I don't know. Xbox One, PS4, Wii U. Viking Squad on PS4. Dead Synchronicity. Tomorrow Comes Today on Xbox One, PS4. Castles 2014 on Xbox One and PS4. No.
Do the video. It's not going to help you. Just do the video.
Looks like stuck on my foot.
He's so distracted now. It's not a cockroach. It's a sticky note. You're sitting there stomping on it like it's a cockroach.
Alright. Tropico 5 Complete Collection.
Now he's doing it. Yeah, they probably don't even know what it says. Oh well. That's funny.
Tropico 5, the complete collection on PS4. Deceit on PC. Azure Striker Gunvolt Strike Pack 3DS. Spellforge on PC. Mushroom Crusher Extreme on PC. Century Night Tactics, I'll just say the thing later in a second. The Miners, and Avalon Legends Solitaire on PC. All to the left. 4 of those are on PC. October 5th, Slain Back from Hell on Xbox One. Either that or you spelled power wrong. Power Grid on PC. And Butcher on PC. Xbox. October 6th, Syndrome on Xbox One, PS4, and PC. The Glitch on PC. Endless Space 2
The majestic light enters the video.
Industry Manager, Future Technologies on PC. It would help if I had it up here. Demolish and Build Company 2017 on PC. Blockpocalypse on PC. What the heck is that? That sounds very interesting. Duke Grabowski, Mighty Swashbuckler on PC. What the heck is that?
Oh, that's bright.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Why am I torturing myself with this light?
I don't know. Why are you? Inklings on PC. Best in Show Solitaire and Laser Disco Defenders. Bugs Speed Collider and Aegis on PC. October 7th, Mafia 3, Xbox One, PS4, and PC. Paper Mario Color Splash on Wii U. The Silver Case on PC. WRC 6. Xbox One, PS4, and PC. Higurashi When They Cry, Chapter 4. Oh my gosh. Himatsubushi. Alright. Dispatcher Revoke on PC. Five Nights at Freddy's Sister's Location on PC. The Silver Case on PC. Ride 2 on PC. The Challenge on PC. Omega Reaction on PC. And Hyper Gods on PC. October 8th. Crazy Fun on PC. Alright. Guess the right answer. The fake list. Guess which one of these games is on the fake. Is the fake one from last week's list. You having a problem there? Okay. Zenith. Exonerad. Quantum Break. Forza Horizon 4. And FIFA 17. Quantum Break's actually a game. Forza Horizon 4. Zenith.
That's a game.
That stupid thing I probably pronounced wrong.
You did pronounce it wrong, but that is a game.
Why should be one of those stupid?
I love doing tricks.
Let me guess. Forza Horizon 4. They don't have a game.
There's not a fourth one. The third one just came out.
Alright. Videos coming out this week. You literally just said videos coming out this week. Game.
That's what the game is called. Videos coming out this week game. It's the name of the game.
You just weirded it wrong.
It's the name of the game.
Alright, guess which one that is not a video this week. Alright, 7 Days to Die, GTA 5, NHL 16, and Advanced Warfare. 7 Days to Die.
Correct. That's because we haven't recorded it yet. So, who knows when that's going to go up. So as you already know, because you are watching this, we are now on the new channel, Ultimate Recon Gaming. On this channel, we will feature animations, video games, and this show that you're watching called Updates. If we ever get a podcast, then that as well. If you do want to go back and check out Johnny's stuff, it's cool. There's a lot of stuff going on there as well. I did just introduce something new for Johnny's channel, so go check that out. Alrighty. Time for the top down. The countdown of the top 5 videos of the week. In 5th place, GTA 5, Goofing Around, episode 31, Power Play 3.
Is that the one we just did? Or is
Yeah.
the one where both of us went like ballistic because how stupid the...
Yeah, that was a lot of lag in that episode. 4th place, NHL Sports Crazy, episode 8. 3rd place, 7 Days to Die, Goofing Around, episode 7. 2nd place, Updates number 20. It looks like it's just stabilizing right there. And the top few video of the week is, man, this show is on fire. Advanced Warfare, Goofing Around, episode 19. And Preston actually decides to join me in the game. I'll show you a snippet right here. Oh shoot, dog. I've lost him. Where'd he go? There he is. Did you switch to demo?
What do you mean?
Looks like you're a demolition because you got the thing now. And we're back for Gamer Score leaderboards. Woo! In 6th place, Stepdog 44 with a gamer score of 3860. In 5th place, Agredu with a gamer score of 5555. In 4th place, Atomic Wave 21 with a gamer score of 18,080. In 3rd place, Slash 45 USMC with a gamer score of 21,715. In 2nd place, X9 with a gamer score of 40,201. And in 1st place, with a gamer score of 43,462, is Dragon 8888. Boom. And thanks for watching. If you have comments, put it down below. Questions, comments. Down below.
Comments?
Yep, comments. If you have comments, put them down below. And we'll try to answer them next episode. Or next updates. You've been updated.